Hey lovelies, welcome back to African Foods. Now today I bring you something very easy. You know those days when you don't have all the things you need but you want to eat some donuts? Yes, so I just brought for you very easy donuts with just 4 ingredients. You just need your 1.5 cups of milk. You need two teaspoons of active dry yeast. You mix it in there, let it sit for at least 10 minutes to bloom, and then you in a different pan get your big pan, because we are going to use 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar. Mix this together. Now with the sugar, you guys know what you really like. Some people prefer less and some more, but you can start with half cup of sugar or you reduce from there. So uh, our milk and yeast have is ready. You add it in your pan, sorry, in your bowl. Yes, and you try to knead this. Now we want to make very soft donuts with the few ingredients that we have. So you need this in there. It's okay that it is sticky, so you add like a 1/4 cup or even a 1/3 cup of some flour on your worktop. You put it there and you try to knead this. Yes, now you are going to knead this for at least 5 to 10 minutes, because you really want to give your dough time, because the more you do this, the more your donuts will be soft. Your donuts will be soft, very soft, and very nice, because when they're soft they're nice. So you give them time, don't rush this process. You knead and knead, yes, until your dough looks like this, something like this. Yes, as you can see, it is so it's nice and it's soft. You can see it's still a bit sticky. Don't mind the stickiness. Yes, so now you are going to you're going to cover it. You can cover it with a kitchen towel, or you can do what I just did there, or you give it 1 hour for the yeast to bloom. Yes, now when you open it up, punch out the gas, and on your worktop still spread some oil there. As you can see, we are not using any more ingredients. We are just sticking to the 4 ingredients that we talked about to make very delicious donuts. Now please feel free to tell me what you think about this video. Remember, this is for those days when you really want to just make up something not too complicated, something very fast and easy. Yeah, and there are days that we really have a few ingredients in our kitchen. So yeah, you make up something like that, very nice. Now we are going to get our cookie cutters after rolling out our dough very nicely. Now as you can see, that's the size we need. Yes, and please make sure it's even, so that your donuts are even. Using your cookie cutter, cut out shapes, or you can use cups. Be creative. Like if you don't have the cookie cutters, if you have the cookie cutters, play with with your shapes. It's about the taste. Yeah, so yes guys, I got creative. I used that. I've forgotten its name, by the way. You can remind me in the comment section. So it's like for the piping bag or something like that. So it's the one I'm using to make my donut shapes. And guys, yeah, you can tell that it's really doing a good job, and it's easy. It's not giving me stress. Yeah, now these are all our donuts. For 4 cups, with this size I got 20 donuts. Now you cover this and let it sit for at least 45 minutes. Yes. So in your pan, add in oil and let it cook and get ready for, I think it takes like about 3 minutes. Please make sure that your oil is ready before you add in your donuts. And we cook these donuts on very low heat so that they cook properly and all through. Now, also another thing, please don't over, what is it called? Don't over pack them in the pan so that they don't get soggy. Remember, if you pack them, they'll get soggy with oil. Yes, cook for 3 minutes on one side and then another 3 minutes on the other side. It's not going to take long, so please be there to watch your donuts cook. You might just go and watch your series or something, and then you come back and your donuts are getting burnt. So please watch them. It's not going to take long. They will be ready already in a very short time. Yes, guys, at this stage they are really, really nice. Now, when they are golden brown like that, you take them off. And guys, oh, these are so nice. These are so delicious. Now, what you are going to do, you take them off the heat, out of the oil, and let them and put them somewhere. You can either use a kitchen towel. This is what I had. You place them on there so that there is no extra oil, so that all that extra oil, because when you just put it on a plate, they will become soggy with oil. You put it there so that air goes through them, and yeah. So at that point, you can decide to eat your donuts like that. That's where the 4 ingredients come in. But if you want to go extra, now this is where the extra comes in. I actually just grinded some sugar into powder. Yes, you add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now you mix this until there are no crumbs, those little crumbs that you see. You mix it nicely. Yes, and now you are going to coat your donuts in them. Remember, you can just grind your sugar. You can just beat it with something. Don't mind until it's like powder. Yeah, and then you add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder, and guys, oof, this is so nice. So, and this process, please use it when you used moderate sugar. If you used a lot of sugar cooking your donuts, then they will be too sweet, and you don't want that. So if they're too sweet, please don't add on the coating. These are our donuts, and guess what? Tea time. It's tea time, and I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you guys for your support. God bless you all. Ciao.